Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track unit out of a 78 Mercury Marquis. This comes from Scott in Wilmington, North Carolina. Thank you so much, Scott, for your business from clear across the country. And Scott has requested the internal conversion with the USB feature. So we're going to test all that out before we send it back. Let's go ahead and turn the radio on. I have it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get, so let's turn it on.
They're over the rock, around the roots. You pray for rain.
So we're going to demonstrate our virtual balance and fader controls. These controls over here. One thing I'll mention too is this is originally a quadraphonic 8-track player. Now, while the conversion electronics, it does have 4 separate speaker amplifiers. It's only capable of 2 discrete audio channels, so basically it's only capable of stereo. It cannot do 4-channel. So as a result, this unit will only play stereo tapes. And actually, as expensive as quad tapes are, I hope you're not leaving them laying around in the car anyway. So just wanted to put that disclaimer up there. That applies to all units of this type. After conversion, they'll come back only able to play stereo tapes. So, okay, let's demonstrate our virtual balance and fader controls.
Native plants from Waters Garden Center, 1815 Iron Springs Road in Prescott.
Shop Waters
Front rear
Native
fader.
plants in store or
Fader adjust.
Waters
Okay, so
Garden Center.
all the way front. Say something.
Natural wonders
Rear.
like the Grand
Front.
Canyon are breathtakingly
Rear.
beautiful. Not a
Okay,
natural
center.
wonder. Worm castings, whether you're
Fader
Where's
set.
it? Okay.
fertilizing
Left, right,
flowers,
balance.
lawn, or fruit trees,
Balance adjust.
will make
Okay.
it grow.
All the way
Right
left.
now, natural wonders, worm
Right.
castings are on sale
Left.
at Waters Garden Center.
Right.
Buy 4 and get the 5th
Alrighty.
free. So stop by at Waters Garden Center.
Balance set.
Okay,
Spring
let's move
break
over to
today
FM.
for your natural wonders worm
And I have all 5
castings.
presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. So now we're on FM.
Faith by putting your Bible under your pillow at night.
Don't stop till we get to the top.
That one drifted a little bit. We'll just reset this one.
America USA 2024. Activate this offer starting June 20th. Assist you
There we
score.
go. Okay, let's try the USB. Make sure it plays my radio commercial. Let's put this on a little. Right. Okay, so there's the USB. Let's try an 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
If you're gonna put her down, is where our friendship ends. In your ear, I go speculate. Don't ever call her that girl again. I'm gonna take me. Just pretend you're there. Oh, then I'm a monkey's uncle who's a cousin.
Ready. Pull the tape out, the radio comes back. And that concludes the test. Everything's working. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because almost all, if not all, of your questions will be answered on the work order. And frankly, I'm a little tough to reach on the phone sometimes. So please do that research before calling me with a bunch of questions. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Scott, for your business all the way from Wilmington, North Carolina, and we'll see you guys next time.